Have you ever felt like all hope was lost? That's exactly how two of Jesus' followers felt. Picture this. It's just a few days after the crucifixion. Two disciples, Cleopas and his friend, are walking the dusty road to a village called Emmaus. Their hearts are heavy, their shoulders slumped, and they're talking about everything that just happened in Jerusalem. The teacher they loved, the one they believed was the Messiah, was gone. Suddenly, a stranger comes up and starts walking with them. He asks, "What are you guys so sad about?" They can't believe he hasn't heard the news. They pour out their story, their disappointment, their confusion. This stranger listens patiently, and then he starts to speak. He takes them all the way back through the ancient scriptures, explaining how it was all foretold that the Messiah had to suffer these things before entering his glory. His words start to ignite a tiny spark of hope in their hearts. They reach Emmaus. As evening sets in, they urge the stranger, "Stay with us. The day is nearly over." So he agrees. As they sit down for dinner, he takes the bread, gives thanks, breaks it, and begins to give it to them. In that simple, familiar action, their eyes are suddenly opened. It's him. It's Jesus. And just as they recognize him, he vanishes from their sight. They look at each other, stunned. Weren't our hearts burning within us while he talked with us on the road, filled with an incredible, explosive joy? They don't even wait for morning. They jump up and race all the way back to Jerusalem to find the other disciples and tell them the amazing news. He is risen. We have seen the Lord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.